The University of Melbourne's HomesPLUS program has Indigenous people working alongside university students in various locations in Australia. The really important and innovative part of this project has the Indigenous people selecting appropriate infrastructure from a catalogue and then working alongside the university students to actually build this infrastructure. It's a real team effort.
In September, the Bauer studio returned to the Northern Territory to work alongside the Jarrock family in Belyuen. Together we constructed an outdoor living space and kitchen out of the Bauer HomesPLUS catalogue.
Kathy said 2 men's gonna come and talk to us, and that was David and James. They said they're gonna build it in summer around September, and they came. We met the other team.
So that's that.
It's amazing to have the opportunity to work so closely with remote communities and build working relationships.
Sharing the building experience with the community made the process much more enjoyable and the anticipation of the final outcome really exciting.
Because we work in remote locations around Australia, we have to be very smart about our material choice and the construction methods that we use.
For example, with the engineers we developed an unconventional footing system. We also sourced recycled materials, and steel not needed until later in the build was used for scaffolding. The build took place just before wet season, so it was quite hot and humid. Now that the structure is built, it will provide shade from the sun as well as shelter from the rain in wet season.
To sit under it and maybe take a mattress and lie under there and feel the cool breeze blowing and make a fire and cook something out there.
For us students, working on the Bauer HomesPLUS project was an invaluable experience. Being able to not only build a real and meaningful project, but also build relationships with the local Belyuen community. Having been key players in the build, the Jarrock family loved being involved.
We all can't wait to use it.